to another video, another vlog. If y'all new here, my name is Dee. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Do not forget to go ahead and drop a B down below. And you guys follow me on my Instagram at MissQueen_D. Vlogmas, you guys. I have not done Vlogmas sometime, and I said we're gonna end fourth quarter. I don't want to sit on the sidelines. I want to participate, so that's what we're gonna do. But we are in the car, as y'all can tell, and we are headed because I have some stuff planned for today. I'm actually headed to go get my makeup done because we have a photo shoot today. My birthday is at the end of the month. Y'all gonna see this ahead of time because I just wanted this to be a part of my Vlogmas content, to be like in the beginning. But y'all gonna see the actual birthday stuff like when it hits, like my actual birthday, so after. But and I think that's how you gotta always plan. People that I go to, ooh child, let me put my seatbelt on, y'all. I have the people that I go to when I get my makeup done, but some of the girls ain't doing makeup like that no more. I was on my For You page looking for people, and I did find her Sunday, so I did have to pay an extra fee. The work is really good, really good. When I booked with this lady, I guess other people have messed it up so bad for entrepreneurs, and it's so sad that y'all go get services from people, call y'all bank, deny it, and she has so many rules and commandments. Like I told her when we text to confirm the appointment, I told her, I said, I was laughing at everything, but I understand, you know what I'm saying? That's how they make their money. Like, they're not clocking into a job. Like, they make their money per how many people that they do for the day. Sit in somebody's chair, and even if you didn't like it, you had enough time to choose somebody else. So my appointment's at 11. I'm about 8 minutes away. I wanted to get there early. Cash, she said cash, no cash out. she's been doing this for 11 years, and it took about an hour and 15, but we was talking. It was so nice, so sweet, and I'm glad that she was able to let me record. So this is the final look, and this is the type of look I wanted, like still a little natural for me, but I want the lip to be like red, darkish. And she was very thorough. She asked me, okay, how about this and that. So I love that. Somebody that's very detailed, give customer service. Now y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now, I really did not want my hair like this for the look. I did not. Hair is barely holding on, y'all. Like literally, it's a quick weave. I touched it up. Like I'm literally pushing through, because at the end of the day, y'all don't know when my hair was done. Probably from the last vlog, but I really didn't. My hair is not what I want it to be. Like it's not. But half of it's coming down on the side. But baby, we gonna push it on through.